Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Samsung dishwasher and you're getting a 3E error. So what is this error and how to get rid of it? So the 3E error comes up when the water in the machine is too hot. If the water is too hot in the machine, it can damage the machine. So if it gets above 80 degrees Celsius, in the water inside the machine, then you'll end up getting this overheating error. So what you need to do is check and make sure that the water setting is set to basically to 79 degrees Celsius or below, and that should get rid of your error. So you may need to turn the water temperature down in order to get rid of the error, and that should do it. If that doesn't do it, then it could be that there's an issue with the thermostat or something like that. You know, there's a damaged thermostat that needs to be replaced. And you're probably going to need to have a technician come out to do that. But your first resort of trying to fix it is just checking the water temperature and making sure the water temperature is not actually too hot in the machine. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.